Hi, I'm Kirti Oram. I'm a lifestyle and accessory designer from NIFT, and I've been practicing web space design for the past many years now. And I've recently got the opportunity of tutoring, taking a module with the third year students at École Intuit Lab Delhi. And teaching these children has given me a lot of introspection and learning in my own space and work area. What I have experienced working with these children is that now there is so much more to come in the web space, and being a digital editorial designer in the future is the thing to be. Or how the dynamics have changed from before to what it is now and what it's going to be is also an interesting thing to think about. When the design space was just beginning, things were just becoming digital. It was more like, the brands and the people and the companies talking to the users. But now what's starting to happen now is that the users are actually defining what the brands should be telling them. So it's actually kind of a role reversal, and it's going to get even more of that because what the users want, the companies give, the brands give, and it's getting more and more intimate. The storytelling of the brands is getting more stronger, more intuitive, and the space of the UI UX designer is going to get even more. The platforms are going to get even more explorative with the micro interactions, with the animations, with the imagery of it all. And however, the artificial intelligence space is growing. At the same time, one cannot undo the brilliance of the human mind. Because how a UI UX designer is going to be looking at a visual from a unique perspective, because of the emotions that we have, is going to be very different from an AI generated model. So what do these kids, these new children who are going to go into the workforce, look for? They should be ready to, one, be adaptive to what is to come to them. They should be bracing up for the fact that one has to look at the macro picture and not just the task at hand. That, okay, I have to just make a post on Facebook, I have to just design a carousel on LinkedIn. It has to be more than that, because an AI or any other software can do it. But the thing is, how do you do it as a designer? It was a wonderful experience, at least for me, because I was a little jittery on the first day, to be very frank. But the students, the faculty, the overall ambience at the institute felt like it was a space where I could also grow as a professional, I could grow as a tutor, and I could grow as a human being also.